Hello there, guys. Just making this video to basically recommend a resource I just found. If you ever need to do resize for your images and you need to do it in bulk, which means basically doing more than two at the same time. Basically, this web page can actually help you to do that. I don't have anything to do with it. I just found it and I think it's quite useful. It's called Faston, faston.org. And then if you click on here and you basically install the system, install the executable file that you have there, then at the end what you're going to have is this this software there. It's quite simple, it's very easy to use, and as I said, what you need to do is first of all you need to find out the images. Just find the folder where you need to when you have the images you need to resize. Click on OK. You see I have around maybe 30 of them. Click on the first one, then you click on Shift, press Shift, and then you click on the last one, and then you have basically selected all of them, because Control A doesn't work here. Then just click on Add, and they will all move to this part of the window, which basically means these are the ones that you're going to resize. I can see now here I have 79 images. Here you will choose the output format, which is actually very useful as well, and you have to click on output folder where you want to get them, send them, sorry, and then basically you can put them in any folder. If you want to create a folder, you just create a folder there, which is quite useful. To resize the images, normally you would have this unchecked. Just check it, advanced options, and you can work in different options as you need to. If you want to choose new width, new height, you can do it here. The one I've used is this resize based on one side, which is actually, I think for me is actually the one I need, because I know I need the width of it needs to be 800 pixels, and then what it will do is basically the aspect ratio, which is the ratio between the width and the height. It will be preserved, which means that if your ratio is 800 and then you have if your width is 800 and then you have a height of 400, then your ratio would be 2. So that ratio, which is in simple terms, means that your image is not going to be changed apart from the size, so it's not going to be skewed or anything like that. But then you do that, and then what you do is just OK, this is a person OK, and then on convert. It will take a while. You will get another image, another window, sorry, and then it will give you a report, which basically will tell you how the images basically were, and in terms of the size, and what is the finish, the final size of the images, which is quite useful. For example, I have this one here. Here you can choose. Let me see if I can see the size of it. Yes. For example, if we see this one here, that one there, the size of this initially was 3.69 megabytes. Let me see if that's the one actually. Yeah, megabytes. And the one that I basically have here is image resized, and then that one, let me see the details of it. Yes, and then the final one, as you can see here, is 227 kilobytes. So it's quite a big change, and then it's a useful resource. I just wanted to share it with you because basically the page looks a little bit dodgy, but it's actually a very good resource. So there you have. Hopefully you can use it, and then it will solve a problem for you.